Hi everyone, today I'm going to review a hotel in Japan, Tokyo. So let's go to Japan, let's go to Tokyo and let's explore a hotel. So the name of the hotel is Akasaka Yoko Hotel. So the best way to check how good or bad hotel is, it is just simply open Google Map and see pictures of the hotel that uploaded by guests, by visitors of that hotel. If you see pictures on booking websites, booking.com, Agoda, hotels.com, and so on, uh, those pictures will be deleted. If pictures not okay, they will be deleted. So the best way, Google Map. So it is a 3-star hotel. It's rated 3.5 stars, and let me tell you the price. It is $43 US, $43 per day and night. Okay, so let's go to Japan. Let's go to Tokyo. So the hotel is located in the center of Tokyo, as far as I understand. So let's see pictures. So what you need to do, which section you need to, which tab or section you need to go, it is from visitors, pictures from visitors. Okay, let's see pictures. The street is quite okay. Oh my goodness, the first picture is so terrible. Look at the bed cover, look at the bed head, look at this mirror. It's like actors backstage room where actors prepare for their performances. Oh my god, it looks so old. I mean, it's not modern. It's not good. Buildings so close to each other. Oh, this looks much better. This is probably an exception for this hotel, or I hope the previous room is an exception. This quite modern, small. Of course it's very small, but it looks better. Oh my goodness, look at this bathroom. It's so tiny. It is so tiny. It's like for a little mouse. Room, bathroom for a little mouse. Look at this tiny. You cannot even sit in the bathtub. You can only, probably you can sit here. Look how low the shower head. It's so low. You couldn't stand here. So probably you supposed to sit here, but you can't lie. Definitely you can't lie. Look at this. Oh my god, look at this sink. Oh, it's so small. Oh my goodness. Go to the next one. Reception. Reception looks so old, not modern at all. At least you have free newspapers and maps and guides and so on, information. Oh my goodness, look at this entrance. It's like a bus station. It looks like a bus station. This probably plastic bags for umbrellas. I cannot even understand what it is. Yeah, for umbrellas. I was right. Probably it's rainy in Japan quite often. Okay, hallway. Not bad, what I can say. Hallway is not bad. It reminds me carpet in the airport. The same style. When you go into your gate to take a plane. Not bad, okay. I will not criticize this picture. This is okay. I like it. As far I like this room. Not bad. Not bad. Oh my goodness, this is breakfast. It's called breakfast. I wouldn't eat it. I wouldn't eat it. Oh, look at this amazing view. It's not called view, I think. It's like there is no view. It's like, you know, a tunnel. You looking in the pipe. It's like Spider-Man looking in his window before jumping. Look at this breakfast. Look at this amazing breakfast. What is this? Rice and who mixed it? Oh my, did you spot it, everyone? Did you spot it? Look at this fork and look at this spoon. Look at this fork. It's like a grandma fork. Oh my goodness, like a royal family fork. Spoon is modern and fork is antique. Why they mix it? Why they cannot buy something cheap like this spoon in IKEA or somewhere? Look at this fork. Oh my goodness, it's like royal family having breakfast. Oh, this is so terrible. Steven. Oh, poor Steven. I'm so sorry, Steven. You had a bad experience. I guess it's very clean here, but the room is so bad. Look at this bed cover. What is on the bed? Is it like bathrobe or towel? Have no idea. Leave your comments, everyone. Look at this remote at the bed head. It's like a radio. It's like old radio. Like what it's called. I have no idea. What is it for? What you can do? Like the probably I'm right. You can listen to the radio here and control the lights and better the simple remote like this. It will be better. Oh, this picture is fresh or not? Looking at the cars, it's fresh, but why the buildings look so old? Okay, let's go to the next one. Oh gosh, look at these plastic cups in the plastic bags. Oh my goodness, Tiger electric kettle. Amazing. So it's a tea bag, green tea, and what is the next one? Let me see. No, I couldn't read it. I have no idea, everyone. So at least it is disinfected. Okay, that's good. Oh, look at these polka dot curtains. Anyway, not bad comparing with what I've seen before, what pictures we have seen. This is not bad. This is not bad for students, for high school classmates. It will be okay. It will be okay. Oh, look at this breakfast. Like, I even don't know what to say. I mean, I just can't understand what this food is. Ice cream, soft ice cream, soft serve ice cream and whipped cream. Oh my goodness. And this I understand, pancakes and fruits. Not bad, I would eat it. But this one, oh, what's the color? What is this terrible color? Is it caramel sauce? And this, no, I wouldn't eat it. It's not eatable. Oh my goodness, look at this grandma and grandpa room. Oh, this is just time stopped, time freezed at 60s. at 70s. Look at these bed covers, these blankets, and this sofa. What is it for? There's no space to walk. Why they put this sofa? Maybe one chair, one tiny chair will be enough. Oh my goodness, how people can sleep here. I mean, there is no space. If you have a big suitcase, where are you going to put it? On the sofa? So the sofa for the suitcases, probably I'm right, because there is no other option to use it. Okay, let's go to the next one. Not bad, not bad. I see they tried so hard to match the wooden panels with the bed covers. They work so hard to make it, you know, attractive, but these curtains and this carpet on the floor, like one, two, three different colors, and look at this space. What is it for? Above the window, what is it for? Maybe to put some statuettes, I don't know, miniatures. Oh, so this is what is it, the same room? Is it the same person? Chia? Yeah, the same person. So it is the same room. And look at this tiny toilet. You remember? Tiny bathroom. Like if 3 people going to stay in this room, and look at this tiny bathroom. There cannot even one person squeeze into the bathroom. Oh my god, what army of people can do in this bathroom? It's like, you know, and it takes time. I mean, one goes first. Okay, I'm going to take a shower. It will take ages. It will take a lot of time to do anything there. And why they can't do bigger bathroom? Why they cannot make bigger bathroom? Look at this space. What is it for? What is this corner for? Better to make a bigger bathroom. Oh. Let's go to the next. Oh, that was the last one, everyone. It was the last picture. So, oh, look at this finger. Someone, she forgot to remove her finger from the lens, camera lens. Oh, how you can take picture like this? I don't really understand. Okay, everyone, so you've seen all pictures. You know a lot about this hotel. So it is 3 stars of hotel. The price is quite affordable. Let me tell you again, $43 US, $43 US per night. So if you want to go there and rate is not awesome, 3.5 stars the rate of this hotel, but you can really see everything with your own eyes. So it will be your decision to go there or not. Maybe you a school student and it will be fine for you, or your grandma or grandpa, it could be fine for you too. So it depends on your budget. It depends on the location. Maybe you really like this location. It's close to the bus station, it's close to some sightseeing things, so maybe you would stay there. So why not? I would not conclude anything, so I leave you with your thoughts. You can make your final decision. Okay, thank you everyone for exploring this hotel. Hope to see you in next videos. Let's explore more hotels in Japan and other countries. Bye bye for now. See you in my next videos. Bye everyone.